And this really reminds me on instructional materials and also the tech integrations that we had in the demo teaching. This really reminds me of something like you have to adopt the technological integration to your lesson plan to have better to understand your students. Like I make the Ramon. Ramon is a puppet, which really contextualize things to really understand my students to contextualize yung papasya at pagpapahalaga bilang batayan pag pagpapahalaga at value bilang batayan ng pagpapasya, pagkilos at pakikipagkapwa. This really adopting how Ramon uh, executed his value and virtue ng pagpapahalaga and virtue to contextualize his decision, his actions, and also his interaction to people. This really uh, contextualize things to really adopting how the instructional materials help me on teaching the lesson for grade 7 because grade 7 we know that they are transitioning from elementary school to high school. This really uh, keeping the fire how they understand the values education in their key stages and how this really uh, it was difficult for us to execute because first in my first demo uh, I really to repeat the demo because uh, Prof. Marte want us to really uh, learn from other and this really have the lesson for us to have a better conceptualization and how the instructional materials really help us in terms of demo teaching this and also the learnings that having inform us and really have the knowledge on how we well executed our instructional materials like we have the the different kinds of technological integrations and the puppet we used for our instructional materials, the placards, the different forms of assessments, the forms that we have to have the tech integration to really develop on how we really well executed our lesson. This also gives me the strength to fast forward on how we become passionate to become becoming a teacher in the future. This really help us on how we learn from it, on how we dealt things and really develop more to really help us to become a teachers in the near future. This is also thank to really helping us from our classmates to especially to Professor Marte and to other teacher assistants to help us in commenting and to guide us to have a better view on how we will do our instructional materials and our technological integration. That will be all. Thank you very much for this.